100 students of C.R. Walker Senior High School were recognized for being on the principal's list and honor roll during a recent ceremony. 12th grade student Brian Burrows shares his thoughts on making the principal's list.
I feel like all the hard work and tears that I put into my work and my craft, I feel like it's paid off very well, and that today is a representation of that. I am very thankful to my family, my mom especially. She helps me push through these pressing times, especially with being a student athlete. It's really hard sometimes to juggle my work and my athletics.
During the ceremony, Darnell Ferdinand was named head boy and Brenna Evans was named head girl.
Coming here today and being here with my friends and being honored and being dubbed head boy, that was an overarching dream for me, because from the first moment I stepped into C.R. Walker, people were like, I hope you become the head boy in grade 12, and to know that I lived up to their expectations is wonderful and great.
I am so excited to be named head girl. I've been working for this since I was in grade 10, so my expectations is it's going to be a challenge, but it's going to be a challenge that's worthwhile.
Principal Treva Colmer says the ceremony also highlighted positive character of students and faculty.
This ceremony today, we added a Resilience Award for a particular student who stands out above the rest. The Resilience Award is really for a child who overcomes adversities, because we always highlight students who excel well academically. Nicole Williams of grade 11 stood out to us because every day she's faced with challenges, physically and academically, but she shows up and she makes every effort to overcome these challenges.
Jonalie McIntosh for Air Talk.